Traders, what is going on? Excited to see you guys in here today. 8-minute workday today. Exactly what we went over in pre-market. Again. I don't know why you guys aren't there. If you were there, I hope you got MLND. MLND, we went over in pre-market. I will show you my trades here. MLND, I went over in pre-market how I thought this one was going to see probably a little bit of profit taken at the start of the day, and I was going to be reactionary off of the volume. Saw some profit taken. I'll look to scoop that on up and then sell it into the pop. Now this one may continue on, scaled out along the way here. This one may continue to work. This is kind of a gap to fill type of play. So now I'm going to go over exactly why we were watching it. Let's take a look left of the chart as we always do. Left gives us insight into the past chart history. This one is a gap to fill. So we got a gap up here to 480. This one's a little quieter than some of the other plays out there, which is what I like personally. Yesterday, what did we see? We saw every single stock with all that hype and attention, the low float crazy stocks that are moving right now, such as UONE, NTN, LMFA, OPHC, every single one of those. And this morning, I went over that one, ALP, and that one's selling off right now. So that low float world, seeing a lot of selling pressure. I don't like to trade those anyways, those crazy low floaters, because for one, I'd have to wear a neck brace for all the whiplash that those stocks would give me. The risk management will be very difficult for me to manage, and that's what we are as day traders. We manage risk. Gamblers, all they see is profit, but we are traders. Traders are managers of risk. So MLND, this one, I was kind of essentially planning my trade and trading the plan. That's all there was to it this morning in pre-market. I always get up earlier than most and go over all the stocks, every single stock out there. I'm just flipping through charts and find the charts that I like, the charts that I think have a good setup, a quality setup, pocket pair of aces, and then trade them. So MLND, I saw this gap to fill here, and then I saw some resistance that we had that we ended up breaking through. So let's zoom in here to the 20-day chart and take a look at this resistance that it broke through and then turned into what? Support. And so this morning we were looking at this chart. I said, okay, I like the daily chart. It's got a gap to fill. I like this resistance that's now going to turn into support. It was going to open up around 280. It had already tested that support in pre-market, which validated that, yes, that is support. We do have orders there. And what I was looking for was just a little bit of selling pressure out of the gates to this line, to this support area, to start scooping it on up. I buy fear at support levels. I like many different variables of support. And this was a nice setup for that. We also had the 13 EMA. 13 EMA down at 252 right now. So it was like 15-20 cents off of that, which I would have scaled into. I would have scaled into it at about 252 because we see that this stock does respect that 13 EMA level. That's why we always look at the past chart history. Left of the chart gives us insight into each individual ticker. So guys, I'm wrapping up my day with MLND. The only other stock this morning that had a lot of hype and attention was ALPN, low floater, and I'm certainly not trading that. I like to stick to the easier stuff. If you guys know me, you've been a part of everyday trading, I like to stick to the easier stuff. And most chat rooms out there, they just want to pump up these stocks and get you involved to help them pump them up. Whereas I tend to find the stocks that are a little bit quieter and easier. So MLND, that's going to wrap up my day today, traders. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button. We will see you on first thing in the morning.